to my YouTube channel, Pink Butterfly. Today I'm going to play Rainbow Friends. So I have already played chapter 1, but not in this YouTube channel. I have played it that time. So sorry guys, I can't show you me playing chapter 2. So if you want me to play chapter 2, not chapter 1, say in the comments. I'll play it. And also I really want to play today chapter 1 and show you all guys, but I was searching for hours, but I didn't get it. So if you want me to search it clearly, say in the comments and I'll play it. Okay. Okay. I didn't see this cutscene. Okay. This is where I was running. We were running. Blasted secured measures. What in the world are you doing out here? What is he saying? Monsters, you say? I'm sure it's just your imagination. Here you don't. Why we don't so slight? Here we go. What? Everyone skipped, I guess. Okay. Oh, here's red. Let everyone out. Why? Why? I help you get your blocks and stuffs. Now the game starts. But the problem is green is also there. Not this. What happened? What is this? Okay. Here is supposed to be a wood. Yep, here is Josh. Okay. I'm actually a little scared. Hospital. No bulbs. Okay, they are keeping hiding spots over here. My stat. I can't go in. That's so unfair. Now this button's coming in my way. Oh, we can go here. Someone is here. I'm just going to stay here. Bye, guys. I have this. Hey, did any of you hear? Wait. There was actually a source, wow, you guys must be good at finding things. Not. Where am I? Maybe this. Okay. Who's this? Is this orange? Or yellow? To show up. 3 have been dead. What? Okay. Done. Okay, I'm going to help them. Actually. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, this one. Got 2. Okay guys, I guess I'll end this video with this. No, I won't end this video. Haha. So guys, the moral of the story is never find something, never help your friends. I died in the first level. So bye. I tried to go, but I'm getting really weird noises, so I'm really scared. See? Okay, now I'm going to take that bulb. If I lose, I'll end this video. Okay, guys? This seems fair because I'm not doing it. Oh my god! Purple is coming! Purple is in this lake! You go there and I go there. This seems fair, okay? Hono Kanwe. La Puno. No. This girl's playing like cinch. She did. Okay. I thought no one would come here. There are 3 left, but 2 are there. And 3rd one's also there. Okay guys, I guess I'll end this video with this. Actually, I'm really saying it, cause I'm gonna try to get this. If I lose, I'll just end this video. So Of course I'll lose, and I'll see you all guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh my god, somehow I didn't die. Green is there, and as well as blue is there. Should I go? No, I guess, right? Oh my god. Am I last player? Let me see leaderboard. Not emotes. 2 people are with me, but they are scared. They are also scared cat like me. Okay guys, I guess I'll end this video with this. And if you want me to play Rainbow Friends again, say go, go, go! No, go! That's not fair! When I'm trying to like crouch, not crouch. When I'm trying to run, okay, guys. Bye-bye.